Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 18, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column G, 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 9th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column G, 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 2, we have 6 and 2, so 6 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. 8th row and 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D and 4th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, 8 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column D and 6th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 6th row and 8th row and 9th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1, 7, 5, the 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, and then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 10th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 7th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 6th grade, column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. 6th grade, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 will come in one of the 2 cells. Column D, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8, 9. Third row and fourth row, we have 4. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column I, we already have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Third row, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I and fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 8th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column C, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we got 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here.